The excitement around the Nothing Phone 3 has been building for months, and now we finally have clarity on when to expect it. After almost 2 years since the launch of the Nothing Phone 2, the company is gearing up to unveil its next true flagship. Nothing has captured attention with its unique design choices, minimalist software, and a fresh approach that feels different from anything else in the market. But fans have been waiting patiently for a real successor that pushes the bar even further. Now, that wait is coming to an end, and it's just a matter of time before the Nothing Phone 3 officially arrives. But before we dive in, please like and subscribe our channel. It would mean a lot to us. Now, in the latest Ask Me Anything session on X, Nothing CEO Carl Pei confirmed the launch timeline of the Nothing Phone 3. Responding to a user query about when the Nothing Phone 3 will launch, Carl Pei mentioned it will launch in Q3 2025. That means the phone could arrive anytime between July and September. According to popular tipster Yogesh Brar, the exact launch date might be the 25th of July 2025, which aligns with earlier rumors suggesting a late July release, though the date is not officially decided. While Nothing hasn't revealed the specs or design yet, a leaked internal email from Carl Pei to his team gives us a small but exciting hint. The email says the Phone 3 will bring breakthrough innovations in user interface, which could mean big changes in how we use and interact with the device. If that's true, it could make the Phone 3 stand out not just for its looks, but also for how smart it will be. Just like the recent Phone 3A series, which focused on AI-powered features in the essential space, the Phone 3 is also expected to push forward with AI to improve everyday experiences. And since this is going to be a true flagship, we can expect top-tier hardware, everything from a powerful processor to high-end cameras. Additionally, Carl Pei also teased that Essential Space will soon see deeper integration with the calendar and other system apps. The only concern now is whether Nothing will choose to lock some of its most exciting features, like the Essential Space, behind a paywall on the Phone 3. If they do, it could take away from the overall experience, making it feel less accessible and limiting the potential of the device. Fans are hoping that Nothing will keep these features available to all users, ensuring the Phone 3 remains as exciting and user-friendly as possible. Furthermore, when asked about the development timeline for a new phone, Carl Pei revealed that it typically takes anywhere from 9 to 18 months to go from concept to final production. The exact duration depends on how innovative or different the product is compared to previous models. This timeline gives us a glimpse into the amount of work and planning that goes into creating a smartphone, especially one that aims to push boundaries and stand out in the market. So, what are you most excited to see in the Nothing Phone 3? Share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to join our Telegram channel for more exclusive updates and leaks. The link is in the description. With that being said, I will see you guys in the next video.